Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Rising Sun Premier online classes. It's Ritu Yadav, your science teacher. Today we will learn or discuss about units of time, speed, distance, time, relationship between these three terms, their formulas, and last, numericals. So let's start. Chapter 12, Moving Objects, Time, Motion and Speed. So let's start our first topic, units of time. Second is the SI unit of time. SI unit of time is second. It is denoted by small s. The larger units of time are minute and hour. Minutes and hour. So the units of time are related to each other. So now I am representing a table which shows some units of time. Watch it carefully. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 year equals to 365 1 by 4 days. 1 decade equals to 10 years. 1 century equals to 10 decades or 100 years. Next and last, 1 millennium equals to 10 centuries or 1000 years. So student, we use different units of time depending on our need or convenience. For example, we express our age in years. 10 years, 20 years, 25 years. So we are telling age in years, not in hours and days. Similarly, the time taken to reach a place is not expressed in years but in hours and minutes. So this is the units of time. The next is speed. The next is speed. The speed of a body is distance that the moving body covers in a unit time. The speed of a body is the distance that the moving body covers in a unit time. The actual distance covered divided by the time taken gives us the speed of the body. So, therefore, the formula of speed is speed equals to distance upon time, or speed is denoted by s and the distance is denoted by d and time is denoted by t. So this is the formula, s equals to d upon t. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Meter per second. However, if distance is measured in kilometer and time in hours, then the unit of speed will be other unit of speed is kilometer per hour. But this is not SI unit of speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay. The speed of fast moving vehicles is usually expressed in kilometer per hour. So, if we know the speed of our body, then we can also calculate the distance it covers in a given time by rearranging our formula of speed. The next topic is distance. The path covered by a body with respect to time is called distance. The formula is distance equals to speed into time, or distance is denoted by t, speed is denoted by s and time is denoted by t. So this is the formula of distance. Next topic is time. Time taken by a body. Time taken by a body. Body means object. To cover a given distance while moving at a specific speed. The formula is time equals to distance upon speed. Time is denoted by t, distance is denoted by d, speed is denoted by s. So this is the formula for time. T equals to d upon s. Time equals to distance upon speed. Now numerical. First example is Ravi goes to school by car and it takes 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes. To reach his school, the odometer of the car shows that it has travelled a 30 kilometer distance. Calculate the speed of the car. Solution. First of all, we have to write given part. So, minute means time. Time is given. Time 30 minutes. Distance. Distance 30 kilometer. Find speed. Formula of speed is s equals to d upon t. Speed equals to distance upon time. Now put this formula, s equals to d upon t. First of all, we have to change minute into hour. Minute into hour. So 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 hour. So So in 30 minutes, (0.5 hour). Put this value in this numerical and solve it. So S equals to D upon T. D equals to 30 kilometer. T time equals to 0.5 hour. Remove this decimal. Increase 1 0 from in this digit. 5 6 30 and this 0. 60 and the unit is kilometer per hour. This is the answer of this numerical.